Hello friends, this is English legal dictation at the speed of 80 words per minute. Ready? Start.
This petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India seeks a mandamus to the respondent number 2, Commissioner of Police, to comply with the order dated 9th October 2011 of the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi for taking departmental action as per rules against the respondent number 3, Inspector Rajesh Parmar, and to also initiate departmental action against respondent number 4, Constable Anand Singh, and respondent number 5, Constable Subham of Delhi Police as per the service rules of Delhi Police. This the case of the petitioner that the son of the petitioner with Shri Kamal Pandey, aged 20 years, while coming home in the night between 27th and 28th July 2010, riding a pillion of the motorcycle of his friend Shri Pradeep Sharma, was at about 2:15 p.m. in the night chased by a police control room (PCR) van on night patrol duty near Windsor Place round about Ashok Road, New Delhi, and the respondent number 3, Inspector Rajesh Parmar, sitting in the said PCR van, opened fire with his left hand from his service revolver, and which hit Shri Kamal Pandey in his back. That Shri Kamal Pandey was taken to Dr. Ram Prasad Lohia Hospital by that very PCR van, but died on the way and was declared brought dead. That the police officials of the PCR van involved in the incident, however, got FIR number 107/2011 dated 28th July 2011, registered with the police station Parliament Street against the said Shri Kamal Pandey and his friend of offences under sections 147, 148 and 34 IPC, read with section 3 of the Prevention of Damage to Public Properties Act 1984, that in the false FIR it was alleged that on 28th July 2011 at about 2:10 am, PCR van performing night checking duty against stunt bikers was attacked by violent bikers numbering about 32/42, who were performing stunts and dangerous maneuvers at Windsor Place at Ashok Road. That the PCR van tried to contain the bikers by giving warning over public announcement system, but they paid no heed and became very aggressive and started pelting stones on the PCR van. That the respondent number 3, Inspector Rajesh Parmar, fired 2 warning shots in the air from his service revolver to disperse the mob attacking the PCR van. However, the mob continued to pelt stones and performed threatening maneuvers on the move. That the respondent number 3, Inspector Rajesh Parmar, as a last resort, aimed and fired at the rear tire of a threatening biker. Full stop.